As he's moving, the melody that is moving with him is the sound. It just by grace. There's some songs of the Spirit that need no word. They're just sounds or chants. But this is just the sound. It's a melody. See God moving in it. The glory. The glory. About the glory. People who are always in the glory always have a sweet life. Sweetness means peace, called peace, love, joy, provisions, no stress, no struggles. Somebody say, Father, we love you. I love God. I love God so much. You know what he did? He just came in like a witness to witness. I've always had this prayer, prayed this prayer every time then until now. Now, Father, anywhere I go and I'm talking about you, just show to the people that you're with me. And he doesn't fail to show his witness. There's nowhere I go to minister that you don't see God move in the atmosphere. How many of you feel his presence so strong? If I want it to settle down, I'll keep worshiping for a while. And you see how saturated you feel. And let me tell you something about the glory. The glory is the beauty of God. So when you carry the glory with you, it encompasses you like a cloud. And everywhere you go, good things, it begins to attract good things to you. Favor, grace, blessings, so many good things, protection. The glory protects, it keeps saving. I love God.